everyone, we are in episode 2 of internship website. We are going to learn another website, internship website, where we can find internship. Before that, this is my website. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And this is my skill up. This is the playlist. Okay, if you want to find more about the internship, if you want to find more about the free courses with certifications, you can find it here in this particular playlist. Now, without any wait, please let us go and check the today's website, which is Unstop. Unstop is a website where you can find internships. Okay, so here once if you click unstop.com, you can see that this is a website. Okay, so here you can find the complete website here about Unstop. I'm not going to talk about completely about Unstop, only about the internships. Okay, like how you can go and browse for the internships here. So that is what I'm going to show you, and let us go and first search that. Okay, so here once if you click here, you can see that you have lots and lots of opportunities available here. As an internship also, you can do it from here. Okay, so once if you scroll down, you can see browse job or internship that is right for you. So here once if you click here, find job. So here you can see internships as well. So once if you click here, it will show you search for jobs. You can just click here and click on this particular drop down. Okay, jobs drop down, and you can search for various things like competition, quizzes, hackathons, jobs, internships, and anything. Just click on this internship where it will take you to the internships open throughout India, and you can find it here. See, this is campus ambassador program, and you can understand about that particular internship here. So here once if you see campus ambassador, and this is launching soon. What is the registration start date? Okay, on February 6th it's going to end. What who are all shortlisted, they will be announcing it on 9 from 9 towards 11th, and announcement of campus ambassador will be available here. You can learn about this particular internship, about the internship, and who can apply, who are all eligible. Okay, the applicant must be a student. Got it. Responsibilities of the candidate, evaluation criteria, benefits and rewards. What are the benefits and rewards they'll be giving? You can just scroll down and search for multiple things. If you are interested in digital marketing, then you can click here digital marketing internship. So once if you click scroll down, you can see application deadline. You have nearly 29 days more to apply for this. And what are the eligibility here? And you can find about the responsibilities of the link of the intern, and what are the requirements, and application date and deadline. Okay, stipend. Okay, whether they are giving you stipend or not, they haven't disclosed yet, so you have to first inquire about it. Work detail, you can learn about the work detail. Working days is 5 days, while Saturday and Sunday is leave, I think. Internship type, it's a full time. Okay, so you can first scroll down and see more about it. And if you are specific about I want to do only online, okay, then you can make use of all these filters on the top. Just go to the filter, you can see it's a status which is recent, leave it. Type, okay, whether you want to go with an virtual type, so click on this virtual. Timing, if you are very specific about the part-time training, you have to click here. A stipend, you have to check whether the stipend is paid or unpaid, so you have to check. If you want only the paid stipend, you have to check here. And then work days, like how many days you wanted to work. Eligibility, whether you are a college student or the school student, you can click for the eligibility. And what is the category you are looking for, whether it's for a campus ambassador, data analytics, and human resource, IT services, whatever you want. And finally the location, in which location you are looking for. This is completely in India, you can just search for the location. And once if you are done, just click show result, so you can see the result, what you have applied for. Okay, so you can scroll down here. So these are the results. UI UX design internship. So here you can see 1 month application deadline, 1 month left. So you can find about all these details here. And finally you can also check whether what is the stipend. They are giving 10,000 rupees, 6 days of work, internship type part time, and the perks, certificate, letter of recommendation they are giving. So see, as an intern, if you are doing this internship for your college credits, then you should definitely get these two things, that is certificate and letter of recommendation. This is must. Okay, and 6 days, and if it is they are allowing you for the full time, then don't go for the part time, just go for the full time. Okay, and the stipend they are giving 10,000. So you have to just think about all these things before you apply. And if you are a working professional, or if you are a fresher who completed your college and you're just looking for the internship opportunity, then you can just go ahead with anything. Okay, the even this perk, I personally recommend that you should have certificate and letter of recommendation after completing your internship. This will help you to get your future job, future prospects and everything. So first, whenever you click on any internship, just go and check what are the additional information they are providing. So in this particular internship, they are not providing the letter of recommendation and anything. Might be they might have missed out to indicate that here. I would recommend you to send the query to the organizer first. Okay, so while sending the query, it will ask you to type the query. You can send that query to the organizer regarding like what you wanted to learn, what you wanted to know about this particular internship before you start. Okay, it is always good to just check that before you enter into it, and cross check twice. Okay, of course, all the we cannot give 100% assurance that all these links which are posted are by the exact person. So you can cross check and see how many members are applied and whether it is good to go. Everything you have to check. Now also cross check with your in your college that whether this particular internship is okay for them. Okay, the few colleges will be restricted towards specific types of company, MNC or something like that, so you have to also check that. So please go and watch this. So here you have not only internship, you have hackathon. If you want to learn about hackathons, see, this is the hackathon by the specific engineering college. So hackathon will also gives you much more experience to to do the codes, to write, to get into like how the exact code will work, how to do the hackathon, how does it goes, everything you will learn. So go and try for the hackathons. Jobs, workshops, you have workshops there. Okay, there are various workshops like growth marketing workshop is happening, so you have to register. So if you are planning to register, first cross check twice. You can just go ahead with the free workshops initially, and then you can just go ahead with the paid one. Okay, that is fine, well and good. So you can just go and search for all these. This is a perfect website for you where you can learn more things. Okay, and stop. Okay, and if any internship, if they are asking you money to pay, don't go for that. Okay, no internship will ask money from you. Either they will ask you to work without without the stipend, they will not give you any stipend, or they will give you stipend. Only these two options are available. If anybody is asking you to work without paying to you, don't go for that. Okay, so if you have any queries, like if you want a interview preparation tips, mock interview, or a career guidance, resume review, one mentorship discovery call, so you can just schedule the call. This link is there in my description, you can go and watch it. So I'll meet you soon with another website for internship where you can find it and get your internship. I'll meet you soon. Tada, bye bye, and see you.